YouTube. Before we get into the video, y'all already know the vibes. If you want to join the Six Figure Owners Club, a community of like-minded clothing brand owners and entrepreneurs, educating, inspiring, motivating each other, be sure to go ahead and hit that link in the description to purchase your subscription for the Six Figure Owners Club. Let's get to the video. Let's go. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. As you see by the title, story time about how I almost got licked, scammed, swiped by a famous rapper. For those of y'all who don't know, my name is Eddie Scott, aka Sayless Ed. Started a clothing brand 2 years ago with my cousin Sayless Trent, and since then we have grown our clothing brand to become a six-figure business with over 500,000 followers on TikTok, 80K on Instagram. Now, with that being said, this was about 1 year ago. When we first started the brand back in 2020, our main objective was to motivate and inspire people to say less and do more through clothing and content. So we're a clothing brand, but we had a main focus on content. TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. Just going hard, producing content that's providing value to our target audience. So we're really going hard with that. About a year into the business, we really hit our stride. Got a couple viral videos on TikTok. Went from like 2,000 followers to like 10,000 followers in one day. Started getting notoriety on Instagram, YouTube, and the brand as a whole. Started getting influencers wearing our merchandise. So now that you got that in context of mind, my cousin and I are in go mode. Like, we're going to do whatever it takes to push this brand. So one day, it's a regular day, out here still producing content, out here trying to push the brand, do what we got to do to blow up. We get a DM in our messages from Instagram. Mind you, our Instagram probably has around maybe like 30,000 followers at this point. 20 to 30,000 followers. We get a DM from this guy. He's got a blue check next to his name. And this is before you could buy blue checks on Instagram. So this dude is actually verified. This dude called Hustle Man the Rapper. Hustle Man the Rapper. And so he hits us up, right? We see the blue check and he DMs us. He's like, yo, I'm doing promo. We check out his page. This dude has like 1 million plus followers. And so we're like, yo, who is this dude? He's a rapper. He got 1 million followers and we never heard of him. So then, of course, we start doing our research. We check his videos because now we're like, okay, like maybe he's got 1 million fake followers. So we click on all of his content on his Instagram page. All of them getting like 100K, 200K, 300K likes. Crazy amounts of comments. So we're like, wow, this dude's got to be legit. We go on his YouTube page. His YouTube page is popping, getting hundreds of thousands of views on every single one of his songs. And so we're like, yo, like this dude has to be legit. But respectfully speaking, when we were listening to his music was not that good. Like, respectfully, there are a lot of rappers with less followers than him that are way better than him. And so, like, just by looking at his videos and his music, his content, it was just something that didn't sit right with us. We were like, there's no way this dude can actually be real. Like, this dude has to be a bot. And so eventually we keep doing our research. We find out his actual name, right? And so then we're like, all right, let's just keep going. Let's see what he wants to do with this promo. Because if he's legit, this promo can really help take our brand to the next level, really get our brand out there. And so, you know, with the guy, with the rapper, a celebrity of this caliber, with this many followers, being in the genre, the realm of rap music that he's in, you would think that he would charge us a bag for a promo, right? This dude hits us up talking about, yo, I'm doing promo, what's up? So we texting him back and forth. Yeah, we might be interested. blah, blah, blah. How much are your rates? This dude says $250 for a 24-hour promo. Now, you may be thinking that's a lot, but you got to think about it from this perspective. If Lil Baby or Money Man or somebody like that that's actually a legit rapper was doing promo, do you think they would only be charging $250? And so something didn't sit right with us. And so we were like, after we thought about it, my business partner and I were just like, we gonna pass. We just felt like it was a scam. We felt like it was a scam. We couldn't go through with it. So we decided to test him one more time. We were like, hey, go ahead and send your Cash App info, and we might Cash App you. He sends up the Cash App. Mind you, we had looked up his name on Google, his actual name. This dude sends us a phony Cash App that's not even the dude's name on Google. So now we're like, all right, it's too much. It's too much BS here. Like we just can't, we just can't do it. We're not about to get licked out of $250. And at that point, $250 was a lot to our business. Like that was our capital. We needed that. So I say all that today. Quick story time. Don't get scammed with these influencers out here, right? There's a lot of people that are bots on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. A lot of people with fake pages that bought followers, bought likes, bought comments, and are building like this fake brand about themselves just so they can make their money back through promos. So be smart out here. And if you're a clothing brand owner, business owner, entrepreneur, you want to get your brand out there, yes, promos and influencers are cool, but they're not going to change the trajectory of your business. And we've learned that through experience. Sailor's Lifestyles work with numerous influencers, people in the NFL, NBA, rappers, and 9 times out of 10, one person is not going to change the trajectory of your business with one post. So focus more on creating your organic content for your brand, pushing your brand out there. So yeah, I just want to give y'all that quick story time. I was literally just here in the car thinking about it when I was driving. And it was so funny because after that happened, maybe like a couple months went by, and we saw this dude pop up again in our YouTube, and we were just looking at the comments, and everybody was talking about, oh, he's a fake, he's a bot, da da da. So like everybody knew he was a scam. So I just thought that was so funny. And so moral of the story, before you start working with these influencers and theme pages or whatever, do your research, do your homework. Don't get scammed out of your hard-earned money. And like I said, don't rely on influencers to grow your brand. Sometimes you got to focus more on your organic outreach, even paid advertising on your own. Don't rely on one person to change the trajectory of your business. So with that being said, I'm out of here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like for YouTube algorithm, subscribe, comment, all the good YouTube stuff. If you are a clothing brand owner, e-commerce store owner, you want to work with me to take your brand to the next level, click that link down in the description. I'm out of here. Let's get after it. Y'all see what it says. Y'all see what it says. Do more and say less. Don't talk about your goals. Be about it. Let's go.